Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System. Then let's tap on System Update and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's open the settings, and this option is more user-friendly than the option I will show you later on. So here, as you can see, we've got three options which are connected with the automatic update. So let's pretend all of them are turned off. First of all, you have to tap on the switcher next to auto update, because as you can see in the description, your device will automatically check for updates when connected to the network. So tap on it, and this auto download will be immediately turned on. It is kind of connected with the previous one, which means that your device will not only check for the updates, but also download them. Moreover, here you've got the option auto install at night time, and I highly recommend to turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, thanks to which you will not you won't have to manually confirm the updates or set them to the apply mode, etc. Your device will do it automatically, and it will happen at night, which means that it is basically the time when you're not using, usually at least, you're not using the phone, because it is between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. So I highly recommend to do that, and that's enough. However, if you wish to turn it on in more advanced way, let's go back to the general settings and go to About Phone. Then we have to scroll and find build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. And if you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So just do it. It's okay. It's everything is all right. After that, let's go back to the settings again. Go to the system. And here we have to tap on developer options. And now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. Let's simply tap on the switcher, and right now your device will is allowed to apply the updates whenever the device will be restarted. So you won't even notice. Be aware, because if you wish to keep this option turned on, you have to keep the developer options turned on. So, because as you can see, after turning them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen, the automatic system updates will disappear. They will be turned off. So be aware, if you wish to use this option, keep developer options on. However, as I said, the previous way, more user-friendly way, is more than enough to use automatic system updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.